Ever since the dawn of the first backpack, outdoor and sports active people have struggled with having a dancing monkey on their backs. These creatures are taking cruel pleasure in bouncing and hammering on your back. We are putting a stop to this. All our backpacks are equipped with our patented award-winning 4-point suspension harness technology, making our products 100% bounce-free. Our harness allows the user to strap the backpack really tight to the body without affecting breathing capacity or movement.